Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? I hope you are pretty well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also pretty well. Today I am going to conduct an ICT class for the students of class 8. Dear students, today's topic is chapter 4, extra question 1 to 3. Now let's have a look. Extra question number 1. What does row, column and cell mean? Give examples. Row: the horizontal cells from left to right in the spreadsheet are called rows. They are marked as 1, 2, 3, etc. Dear students, in our previous class you have already known about this term. That means this is row, this is horizontal term, and column, the vertical cells from top to bottom are called columns. They are marked as A, B, C. That means this is vertical cell A, B, C. That means here 1, 2, 3. This is column, column. Okay. And cell, the small marked boxes created by rows and columns are called cells. The cell C10 indicates C column and 10 number line. Dear students, that means cell, this is cell. That means if you put a value, suppose 5, it will be, that means C2 5. Okay, these small boxes are called cell. Go to number 2. What is title verb? Explain the technique of using spreadsheet software. Title verb: the title of the workbook is written on the top of the Excel window. It is called title verb. The techniques of using spreadsheet software: we have to face various types of complicated mathematical problem. On this case, we can solve all these problems within a very short time by using spreadsheet. Various types of mathematical formula help automatically to solve a mathematical problem and get a correct result of solved math. The management of post address of my area and email can be stored in a spreadsheet by using it. Examination result can be prepared easily by using a spreadsheet. Income cost estimation of any educational institutions can be calculated. A huge amount of data can easily be handled in the spreadsheet software. Management and preservation of postal and email address are easy in the spreadsheet. We can do the work of addition, subtractions, multiplication, division and average in the spreadsheet program. All these are the strategies of using spreadsheet. Dear students, these are the techniques of using spreadsheet software. And number 3, what is spreadsheet program? Write 4 advantages of using spreadsheet program. This question is almost similar to the technique of using spreadsheet software. Okay, you have already got the advantages of spreadsheet program here. Spreadsheet is a kind of computer program application. It is sometimes called workbook. As a register book has numerous pages, so a workbook has numerous its worksheet. That means a workbook you have lots of worksheet. A spreadsheet program has many rows and columns. 4 advantages of using spreadsheet program are given below. So these are the 4 advantages of spreadsheet program. Number 1, examination result can be prepared easily by using spreadsheet. Number 2, income cost estimation of any educational institutions can be calculated. Huge amount of data can easily be handled in the spreadsheet software. Management and preservation of postal and email address is easy in the spreadsheet. Okay. Here students I am giving, that means you are requested to do homework. Question number 2. I am giving you as homework. That's all for today. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.